Masvingo Minister of State for Provincial Affairs, Ezra Chadzamira, has been implicated in the violent disruption of opposition politician Job Sikhala's book launch held in Masvingo last week, a disruption that Sikhala is since described as an assassination attempt on his life. Salambira mashoko buda panguva ino chirongwa kuchinzi aiwa Minister Chadzamira aiwa anova Minister of State of Provincial Affairs muMasvingo panguva ino wanzi aiwa wawanikidzwa vari in a plot to assassinate Job Sikhala ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina muna mobile pamuchinzi. According to investigations by Masvingo Mirror, the attack was carried out by terror gang allegedly led by non-ZANU-PF activist Isau Mutano and the ZANU-PF District Youth Secretary Mashingaidze Mabujo. It has since emerged that the group used a ZANU-PF branded Toyota Hilux twin cab, registration number AGE0791, reportedly allocated to Chadzamira for his Masvingo West constituency. Sources claim the youths involved in disruption gathered at the Dio shopping center where Mutano allegedly promised them generous payments from Minister Chadzamira once the mission was completed. Sikhala, in response, has filed a 150,000 lawsuit against Mutano, whom he accuses of being central to what he now believes was a coordinated attempt on his life under the guise of political disruption. The Mirror is in possession of several videos allegedly showing Mutano disrupting multiple events in Masvingo, including the ZANU-PF primary elections in which Chadzamira was a contestant, and the Public Voluntary Organization PVOBU hearing held on May 16, 2024. Efforts to get a comment from Minister Chadzamira were unsuccessful. He did not answer calls nor respond to messages. Repeated visits by Mirror reporters to his offices at Benjamin Burombo building also yielded no results, with officials saying he was away touring gold mines in the province. One of the youths involved in the disruption, Mugujo, reportedly unemployed and intoxicated at the time, told reporters he was proud of stopping the event. He claimed the speakers had insulted his president in reference to President Emerson Mnangagwa. Ndomashoko simambiro zvakaita John Ezra Chadzamira vachiimplicatewa in a plot to assassinate Job Sikhala. Pena kumese kuchemeri mutudzi mafunguro enyu matumiri pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chito the